Hey, here's how you can free up space on your Android device without needing to lose your pictures, videos, apps, or games. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it is, so let's begin.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome, then search for Flow Buddy Info. Click on the first website. Now in this website, click on the search bar and type free space. Click on the first post. Now in this article, scroll down and click on the download icon right here. Wait for a few seconds.
Download anyways, and it will start downloading. Once done, then click on open. And if it requires you, then allow the unknown app's permission. Hit install. Once done, click on open. So now in this application, click on the scan button. And if it requires you, then allow all the necessary permissions to the app, otherwise it won't work properly. After that, it will start processing on how much storage you can save, and then click on run now. Then it will start cleaning all the old files and game cache that you don't need. And you're done. You have got more space now. The first time I run this scan, I saved around 12 gigabytes, and this time around 1 gigabyte. So there you have it. And if you enjoyed this video and found it very informative, don't forget to give me a follow. And I'll see you again, probably, maybe.